हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम बात करेंगे उन दो चीज़ों की जो हमें अपनी लाइफ में कभी नहीं करनी चाहिए। सो व्हाट आर दोज टू थिंग्स विच वी शुड नेवर एवर डू इन आवर लाइफ। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड नेवर से येस। हमें कभी भी उस बात के लिए हाँ नहीं करनी चाहिए जिसके लिए हम मना करना चाहते हैं। एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज when we are into our anger emotion, we should never take any decision into that emotion. So let's explain what I want to deliver through this video. Is the first is when you want to say no. जब आपको मना करना है किसी चीज़ के लिए, किसी काम के लिए या किसी भी बात के लिए, तो you should never say yes for that thing. Why I am saying this thing is because when you forcibly say yes to that thing, your own self-esteem, your own inner self won't allow you to do so, and it bashes its own self. And the second thing is when you are into the anger emotion of your emotions, there if you take any decision, that decision is taken according to that emotion, that is anger, and not from the neutral point of view. So while you are in anger, never take such decision which are going to make you regret while in the future itself. So while going through any of these two things, always observe your own self and monitor your own self, that what actually you want to do or what actually you want to deliver at that point of time. So always be very clear with these two things, because no का मतलब no ही होता है, and there is no confusion in that. And the second thing is when you are in anger, just take few deep breath, and after those breath, then deliver your decision. Or there is no possibility of there is no not even possibility that there is no harm in saying to another person that I'll deliver my answer a little bit later. So always take your time to give your decision that yes, this is not the right time. I'll deliver my decision when I'm not in the emotion of anger. So thank you so much, and I hope you all will follow these two rules into your life and make it smooth and better.